Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is 33rd International Day of Peace. This year marks the 25th anniversary of the United Nations General Assembly's adoption of the Declaration and Programme of Action on a Culture of Peace. The International Day of Peace, that is Peace Day, is observed around the world each year on 21st September. In that declaration, the United Nations' most inclusive body recognized that peace not only is the absence of conflict but also requires a positive, dynamic, participatory process where dialogue is encouraged and conflicts are solved in a spirit of mutual understanding and cooperation. In a world with rising geopolitical tensions and protracted conflicts, there has never been a better time to remember how the UN General Assembly came together in 1999 to lay out the values needed for a culture of peace. These include respect for life, human rights, and fundamental freedoms, the promotion of non-violence through education, dialogue, and cooperation, commitment to peaceful settlement of conflicts, and understanding at all levels of society and among nations. The International Day of Peace was established in 1981 by the United Nations General Assembly. 2 decades later, in 2001, the General Assembly unanimously voted to designate the day as a period of non-violence and ceasefire. Now it's time for the practice question. When was the International Day of Peace first established by the United Nations General Assembly? 1945, 1981, 1999 or 2001? Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.